In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the sell-through rate for any item on eBay. Understanding the sell-through rate is crucial whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, because it helps you gauge how your products are performing in the marketplace. So let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as this will give you access to all the seller tools eBay offers. Once you're logged in, head over to My eBay. You'll find this option at the top of the screen. Click on it and then select Selling from the drop-down menu. This section is your hub for all things related to your eBay listings, sales, and analytics. Now, within the Selling section, look for the Research tab and click on it. This tool is invaluable for sellers, as it provides insights into how items similar to yours are performing, giving you a glimpse into potential sales and competition. Once you're in the research area, it's time to enter the specifics of your product. For instance, if you're looking to find the sell-through rate for a pair of Nike Air Force 1 White, size 9, type that into the search bar. The more specific you are with your product details, the more accurate your results will be. Next, it's important to set the right filters to narrow down the information you need. You'll want to filter by category, ensuring you're only seeing data related to your exact type of item. Then move on to the condition of the item, whether it's new, used, or refurbished. Lastly, choose a date range that makes sense for your analysis, such as the last 30 to 90 days. This will give you a good snapshot of recent market activity without being too outdated. Once everything is set and filtered, take a look at the data presented. You'll see the sell-through rate, which is the percentage of items sold relative to the number available. A high rate means the item is in demand and sells quickly. It's also a good time to review details like the average sold price, as this can help you set a competitive price for your own listing. Pay attention to other metrics that may offer insights, such as how auction versus buy it now listings are performing for similar items. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to figure out the sell-through rate for any item on eBay. Using these tools effectively will help you make informed decisions about what to sell and how to price your items. I hope this guide was helpful and that it empowers you to succeed in your eBay selling journey. Title: How to Find the Sell-Through Rate for Any Item on eBay 2025 Full Guide.